in this session, as we are moving ahead in the home tab and we have covered most of the topics, now we are moving towards the end of this, and now in this session we'll be covering sort and filter. We'll be talking about two very important topics in Excel, which is sorting and then filtering the data. So let's begin this. Now, when you look at the data here, friends, I have what I have taken here is some sales numbers I have taken. Okay. And I'll select these numbers and I'll go to the home tab editing group, and here I'll click on sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest to sort my data in whatever order I wish to do it. If I'm choosing largest to smallest, it is already sorted from largest to smallest. So let me choose the other one, smallest to largest. Now you can see that the data has been sorted in increasing order. The smallest number is first and then it goes on increasing to the largest number in the data. I'm able to sort my data from smallest to largest with just one click. Now the next thing which I would like to show you is, now I've got here some employees names. If I select the employees names and I go and click on the sort and filter button, here you will see now it is not showing sort smallest to largest, but it is showing sort A to Z and Z to A. So the Excel is very intelligent to figure out what kind of data has been selected. And as I click on this data, if I choose Z to A, we will see that Tanmay will come on the top and Aman will go at the bottom. So as we click here, the data gets sorted and Tarun and Tanmay are coming on the top while Aman goes at the bottom. Now this is sorting data in one column. But if you want to sort data in more than one columns, what happens and how it is to be done, let's see here. I've got some data here. There are five columns here. And now if I go to sort and filter, here I have get an option called custom sort. And if I click on the custom sort, this window opens up. And in this window, I have option to do sorting with multiple levels. First one is addition of level, deletion of levels, copying of labels. So I'll just delete the levels and then you can see the clear field here. Now I'll add one level, add level. When I added a level, the first option which I can see here is sort by columns. Columns to be sorted here. So I can click here and I can choose from the column headers. There are 5 column headers here. I can choose first sorting is to be done on what basis. So suppose I want to do the first on the basis of the racer names. So I'll click on the racer names. The next option is to sort on cell values, cell colors, font color or conditional formatting icons. So I'll choose here the cell values because we are going to sort according to the cell values. Lastly, it is asking the order. So here we will say Z to A. We want to sort it Z to A. Now I want to add another level of sorting. So I'll click here on the add levels. Here I'll go and choose the next one, which I will choose as time, because time is the column where I want the racers to be sorted from Z to A and time to be sorted from smallest to largest. So again cell value is selected here and here I can see smallest to largest, and if I say OK, the racers Zubair will come on the top, and for Zubair the timings will be arranged. Right now also they are arranged smallest to largest. Let me change it to largest to smallest. So now what will happen, the Zubair will come on the top as the first level of sorting, and within Zubair the time will be sorted largest to smallest. So here the 51 minutes will come on the top, 44 will be second and 36 will become the third thing to be sorted in that order. So I click here and you can see what has happened. Zubair, then Onkar, then Lalit and then Inder. That is Z to A. And here within Z, the time has been sorted from 51, 44 to 36. For Lalit, it is 50, 45 and 39. And one more thing, friends, which we have seen here is that whenever we are doing a sorting in multiple columns, the sanctity of the rows are maintained. That one row will always move together. It's not that one column will be sorted in a different way and it will lose the other data, because record sanctity is very important for Excel. One row is one record and it has to stay together. So when Excel is doing the sorting, the records will be maintained together. So here we have drawn this yellow line to show that whatever sorting we are doing for one column or two columns, the data in one row will always remain together.